Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover search products on shop page. So let's see how can we make this search box working. So for that, first of all, go to the shop index view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, shop, and from here let's open index view. And inside this view file, you can see here before this brand filter, there is a search box. Okay, so inside this input text box, first of all just add here the name. So right here name is equal to search and value is equal to double curly bracket and then request, and inside this just pass here the name search. And now inside this button just add here the type is equal to submit. Okay, now save this and now go to the ShopController. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and let's open the ShopController. And now inside this index function, let's apply the search filter. So after this, just write here, first check here if $request, okay, and check using the field method, okay, field, and just pass here the name search. If search has value, then get the search text, okay, search input text inside this variable search term, and then just apply with query using the where. So write here $query arrow where, and then add here the callback function, okay, and inside this function just write here $q arrow where, and just pass here the column name, and then like predicate, and pass here the search term, this one with the percent sign, okay. Just before the search term add here the percent sign, and after the search time also add here the percent sign, okay. Similarly just add here the or where, column name, description, and predicate like predicate, and then this one, okay, percent sign, and then search term, and also close with percent sign. Now save this and now let's check. So go to the shop page and just refresh the page. Alright, now let's search here the product. So just write here the product 6, press enter, and you can see here product 6. Okay, if I just add here the only product, and you can see here all products, okay, with the name product. Now here let's add a link for clear the filter, okay. So for that go back to the shop index view file, and here before the search box let's add here a link for clearing the filter. So just add here the if directive, if request, and then any field, and inside this any field method just pass here the all search filter name, okay, like search, brand, category, min price, max price, sort by, and per page, okay. And inside this if directive just write here this one, okay. First add here the div, and then inside this div just add here a link, and inside this anchor tag href just add here the route shop.index, and also add here the text clear or filters, okay. And after this just close here the div, okay, and also close the if directive. Alright, now save this and let's check this filter. So go back to the shop page and just refresh the page. Okay, now let's apply some filter here. So let's apply this brand filter, okay, and also apply this search filter. So right here product, and you can see here the clear all filter links, okay. If I click on this link, you can see here all filter cleared, okay. Do one thing, just add here a text before this anchor tag, filters applied, okay, And also remove this closing anchor tag and just paste after this a span tag. Okay, and then add here the color, text color red. Okay, and also red color here for the clear all filters, so right here red. Alright, now save this file and let's check again. So just refresh the page. Now let's apply the filter again. Okay, also filter this category and this price range. Okay, all filter applied, and you can see here the clear filter link. Okay, now just clear the filter, so click on this link and you can see here all filter are cleared. This video covers adding search products features on shop page. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.